Hi everybody. I thought I'd give you a little overview of Digital Design 1, see what you can learn about in this course. Basically we're going to teach you how to do basic digital design component development. The course is developed in two separate parts. One is called combinatorics, or combinational logic. And the other is called sequential logic. In combinational logic, what we like to do is talk about things that can be done in 3-gate delays. In sequential logic, what we like to do is talk about things that allow us to create what are so-called finite state machines. The 3-gate delay logic can be arrived at with a semblance of simple and/or and inverter gates. These things can be used to arrive at an arbitrary Boolean function. And we'll talk for a little bit in the course about the difference between Boolean algebra and regular algebra. In sequential logic, what we'll do is we'll talk about counters, finite state machines, and mechanisms that allow us to build more complex digital components. By the time the course is done, you'll know how to be able to construct and design computer-based systems using elementary logical components, and you'll also have an opportunity, I think, to be able to do designs of fairly complex devices. And these devices can all be implemented directly in hardware.